Hey, it's another day with May where I create healthy alternatives to your favorite foods. As you find yourself clicking that like button, go ahead and slide on over to the subscribe button and click on that as well. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by this time next year. All right, let's get straight into it. Today we are making cashew milk. First up, you need to make sure that you soak your cashews overnight, or at the very minimum, at least 3 to 4 hours before you make your milk. So this will just help make it nice and soft. It will soak up all that moisture, so it'll be nice and creamy. Make sure when you fill it up, it's just a little bit over the cashews, not too much water. Now that our cashews have soaked overnight, it's time to throw them into our blender along with about 800 milliliters of water. Now it's time to flavor the milk. So today I'm just gonna keep it nice and simple and add in some vanilla. You can add in a little cinnamon, maybe even a little nutmeg, or some pumpkin spice even, if you like that. Really, the choice is yours. Now I'm just going to add a little pinch of salt just to really heighten that flavor. Now it's time to blend it all up. So the great thing about this recipe is you don't need to strain it at all. You can just pour it straight into your jar and then you are good to go. You might see some little settlings down at the bottom when you take it out of the refrigerator to use after each time. Don't worry about that. Just go ahead and shake it up and it'll mix all the way through. And done! Here we have a beautiful, creamy cashew milk. Let's try it. I have a milk stash there. It is honestly one of the creamiest milks I have made. It's got the same consistency as like watered down cream kind of. It's delicious. It's definitely one that you have to try. But do you know what? If cashew milk isn't for you, I have other milk recipes that I have linked down in the description below, so make sure you check those ones out. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, see you later.